So today, I just want to say hello everybody. I got a 2011 Buick LaCrosse, or LaCrosse, whatever you want to call it, CX something. I'm trying to figure out why the brake assistant is, the light is on. So I'm driving this car. As you can see, the wheel bearing, the right rear wheel bearing is all messed up. It's not sending the right communication or the right information to the module. So there you have it, service brake assistant. And this car has like low miles. But anyway, as you can see with scanner, all the little lines right here, those lines, the graphics are the wheel bearings information. But this one is the one is messed up. As you can see, the rest one is not the same. This one is just dirty. But anyway, another thing you can do is just place a car or jack up the car and spin the wheel. Sometimes the wheel bearing has played, or check the ring on the wheel bearing assembly. Sometimes it's a chunk missing, or the ring comes loose, or you got a bad connection, broken wire. Could be too many things, you know. I'm just trying to help you. But as you can see right here, that's like sending the ground information to the module. And of course, if you got a bad wheel bearing or module, when you apply for brakes or when you're braking, the pump is gonna make a noise, and the brakes are gonna feel like a little weird, and the noise is gonna be like this, kinda. Depends on the car. And of course, you know, like everybody knows, if you got a bad wheel bearing and you're driving, it's gonna howl. It's gonna make a lot of noise. But in this case, this thing is not making a noise, it's just sending the wrong information. Okay guys, have a good day, and I hope this information helps you. See you guys later.